welcome to my brand new cooking channel. My name is Adrienne and I will be attempting to recreate recipes that I found on social media websites. I do say I am going to be attempting to recreate them because I am not a chef. I don't cook professionally. I am just a regular person trying to recreate recipes and eat well at home. So the first recipe that I did attempt to recreate was brown stewed chicken. You might have seen the short that I published. So this recipe was found on Facebook under Chef Towling's page. The information to her page I listed down below. So if you want to get more information on how her recipe is and what the steps that she used in order to get her results, you can go ahead and look at that page. And she has a lot of other wonderful recipes on that page. So let's just get started, okay? All right. The first step in the process was to create a marinade. So because I prefer boneless chicken, I decided to use boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And here I am cutting off the extra fat. After placing it in a separate dish, I then began to complete the marinade process. The next step was to cut up some onions and to also include some cilantro. And this is the mixture here with the onions and the cilantro. And then the recipe called for brown sugar and also some olive oil. And these are the ingredients that I did use: salt, pepper, garlic salt, brown sugar, onions, and cilantro. I omitted the ginger from the original recipe. I didn't have any freezer bags, which the recipe called for. So instead I did use sandwich bags and I placed it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. The recipe called for chopped or shredded carrots, red and green bell peppers, and garlic. I chose to use shredded carrots and excluded red peppers. Looking back at the results, I feel like I should have used chopped carrots because it would have given the dish more flavor and texture. Well, we win some and we lose some. If you have any great suggestions to make this dish better, please comment below. So at this point, I had taken the marinated chicken out of the refrigerator and placed it in a non-stick ceramic frying pan. I lightly seasoned the chicken with Creole seasoning. And I was like, okay, I'm doing something now. This next step shows all of the ingredients cooking together in one pan. That included 2 cups of water, better than bouillon, gravy maker, and a bay leaf. All of that was added at this point. I just have to say I am a nosy cook. I just had to lift that lid and I ended up getting a face full of steam from my troubles. That'll teach me. Oh, but it smells so good, y'all. So I just wanted to give y'all a bird's eye view of these ingredients and how good they looked. It was amazing. I was trying so hard to play with style, y'all. I'm back. So how did you like the video? Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. I will be uploading new videos every week. So stay tuned and thank you for watching. Be blessed.